There's unlimited parakoshtas. In the spiritual world, there's unlimited areas, parakoshtas. There's unlimited Radharanis. This is all described in our Goswami Granthas. There's a Radharani for every... There's a Krishna. It goes to such an extent that there's one Krishna, and of course Radha, they're always connected. There's one, let's just say Krishna, and it's parishads, for every single devotee. That's called mamta. How can every child in Moscow be your child? You have your child, that and your love. You're a mother. You love children, but this is where all love goes here. So how? It's my Krishna, your Krishna. When people show their Thakurjis, they say, "Look at my Krishna." We don't say, "Look at the Krishna." We don't say, "Look at the Krishna." We say, "Look at my Krishna." See my Giriraj? He's not your Giriraj, he's Radharani's Giriraj. Only Radharani can say, this Giriraj is hers. This is her Prananath, or Praneshwari. But she has her Giriraj, but I also have mine. Then Radharani thinks it's my Krishna. What does Chandravali think? Oh, Krishna belongs to Radharani? No, Krishna's mine. Most of the time. Sometimes she, there's Tudiya, Mamata, Madhya, many different bhavas within that Madhur. But this is the beauty of transcendence. It's unlimited, and it's limited. God is everywhere, and He's in front of me. So that's the main thing.